Hello, everybody. This is Deborah Morris with Deborah Morris Home Team, Keller Williams Advantage Realty. I have the honor to talk to one of my Castleberry Chamber members and part of the membership committee, Pat Weber from Legal Shield. And, you know, there's a lot of questions going around in people's minds, especially this past year with COVID, on some legal issues. And I just thought I'd get you on board just to share with us a tip that they may be interested in knowing about. So take it away, Pat.
Okay, thank you, Deborah. I appreciate that. I think what I've learned through with ID Shield or with Legal Shield and ID Shield through COVID is, first of all, we have a COVID resource center, because I'm going to speak to two ends of the audience here. For the business members, you know, COVID's changed how you worked with your employees, how you ran your business, you have legal issues. So that's one area that we do have a resource center for that. For the private individuals, questions now are coming up with tenant landlord, what's your rights there in the changing COVID world, with your lease agreement, your rental agreement. So, and most of us Google. And how we say it is, do you want Google to be your attorney?
No.
The answer, yeah, because I actually, not because on a legal issue, I did Google something else, and they actually said that moles in the yard could be beneficial. And my sister was like, no way. So anyway, just for, you know, I'm kind of digressing, but just trying to make it funny. It was like, yeah, and I used Google. So, so on Legal Shield side, we have two arms of our business: Legal Shield, which is your rights under the law with the protection of an attorney, top-notch attorneys. They're vetted attorneys. And then the other is the identity theft protection. And in a lot of the networking meetings I'm part of, I highly stress the point, because a lot of people are not aware that nowadays the latest is going for your medical records. Again, they want your ID. They don't want your medical records. And it did happen to a friend of mine in Lakeland. Her doctor's office contacted her and said, we've been hacked. Again, they want your social, they want to sell it. They want to sell it on the dark web. So just things to make you aware of in today's environment, and that there are resources available other than Google to help you out with that. And that's where I'm passionate about. Of course, I could go on and on, but.
Yeah, well, I know personally, I have a 19-year-old, and I didn't even realize about that health surrogate issue. And I'm like, oh no, I need to get her a will. So there's a lot of small little things to think about this past year. It makes your mind start asking questions. So how do they reach you if they have more questions about legal options and how to be better prepared, also with identity theft?
Well, I'm here in the Castleberry Winter Park area, and my cell phone number is 386-405-3595. I'll be glad to answer any questions. I'm not an attorney, so, you know, I'm not Google and I'm not an attorney.
A Legal Shield can put you in touch with attorneys.
Legal Shield and ID Shield can protect your add an extra layer of protection to you.
Well, thank you so much for your time and your tip. I think we all need to be better prepared during this time, and I look forward to talking to you again in the future.
All right. Thanks, Deborah. Always good to see you. I appreciate it.
Thanks. Bye.